Hello, my name is Sheldon and I'm a Sigma CINE ambassador. Today we'll be discussing camera to cloud, sometimes called C2C for short, and how to get your camera to cloud workflow up and running with the Sigma FP or FPL camera and the Atomos Ninja V or 5 Plus monitor with Atomos Connect module. We promise, it's only a few steps before you're off to the races. With C2C, we send a signal from the FP camera over micro HDMI into full-sized HDMI and then on into the Ninja V monitor. The Atomos Connect module allows us to connect to the cloud and then send proxy footage to software called Frameio for collaborating globally. This exciting technology has a wide variety of applications, from documentaries to commercials, scripted, and everywhere in between. Now, editors can begin their work sooner. Smaller field crews can become larger teams with the help of a capable remote workforce, and producers can work remotely on multiple projects at the same time. Let's dive in and give you the tools you'll need to execute this workflow on your own. One reason the Sigma FP camera platform and the C2C workflow from Atomos pair so well is because the result is a highly mobile film rig alongside a very capable monitor solution that includes all your favorite focus and exposure tools. Here, we're using a professional camera cage to give us extra mounting points and space for additional cinema-focused accessories. Think about powering your camera rig as we go through these steps. Here we're using a dummy battery solution for the Atomos monitor/Connect and the Sigma FP camera. A wide variety of power solutions are available from authorized Sigma dealers. Still, you could absolutely use the Sigma FP internal batteries and your favorite brand of L-series batteries for the Ninja to keep everything powered and as portable as possible. Connecting the Atomos Connect is done with a few screws and then clicking the module into place on the back of the monitor. No other cables are required. Next, you'll need to set your FP camera to record over HDMI by navigating over to the Systems section in the menu and selecting HDMI output. You'll want to change that output to Recorded Image Output. Now, back to the Ninja V monitor. Make sure your source is set to HDMI by tapping the Input button and then selecting Source and HDMI. Next, go to the Input tab. There you'll see a button called Trigger halfway down the screen. Hold that button down until you see the words HDMI. This step means you'll only need to hit record once on the camera to begin sending proxy files to the cloud. Try it yourself. Hit record on the FP and you'll see a red border light up on the monitor. This light indicates that the FP output and HDMI trigger functions are working as they should. Now, let's get connected to the cloud. First, navigate to the Wi-Fi in the menu on your Ninja V screen and give it a moment as your network options begin to populate on the drop-down list. Select the network of your choice and input your password. From there, we'll move one tab over to the Connect screen. Click the blue button on the right to begin. If you have successfully connected, the indicator under the word Network will glow green. Atomos Cloud will show that it is currently disconnected. Now click to the green Pair button on the right side. A helpful QR code will direct you to the Atomos Cloud. You can also navigate there in your internet browser. Once in Atomos Cloud and having signed up for an account, there are currently 5 tiers available depending on your needs, ranging from free plans to monthly paid options. You can enter the 3 keywords displayed on the Connect screen and then pair your device with the Atomos Cloud Studio. From there, give your device a relevant nickname if you wish. Then, and this might be my favorite part, give your device a destination. You could stream your FP camera to YouTube or elsewhere, but we'll set our destination as Frameio for team collaboration. Frameio from Adobe allows you to collaborate, share, track, and provide feedback on projects from anywhere in the world. To confirm within Frameio that everything is operating as it should, simply navigate to the C2C Connections tab, and you'll see Atomos Cloud Studio with an indicator saying Online. Finally, hit record on the FP camera. You'll see a Files Remaining indicator on the Ninja V in the upper left corner, giving you immediate status feedback on your files as they upload. Atomos Cloud Studio uses progressive upload technology when you're in the starter tier and above. This technology enables uploading to the cloud in the background at the same time you're recording a clip. Stop recording that clip, and 90% of your file may already be uploaded, leaving only the remaining 10% to complete the journey. As mentioned earlier, the Atomos Connect module allows us to connect to the cloud and then send proxy footage to software called Frameio to collaborate globally. So now, each proxy file will begin populating, keeping the same clip metadata for easy relinking later in your favorite NLE. Frameio project members have many options from there, but they could give notes, start an offline edit, suggest story ideas, or simply mark off shots as completed. I'll leave that part to you and what's best for your project. There you have it. Camera to cloud C2C with the Sigma FP or FPL and Atomos. How cool is that? It still feels a bit like magic every time I use this technology in the field, and we can't wait to hear how you use C2C on your next project. For questions related to the Sigma FP or FPL, feel free to visit our social channels at Sigma CINE on Instagram or on our website at www.sigmaphoto.com. Any questions regarding the Atomos systems, reach out to them on Instagram at Atomos Global or check out the setup guides on their YouTube at Atomos channel. Thanks for watching.